I have exciting news for you, bro. I've just been informed that something out of this world is about to
Take it to the island.
You know the dealio, baby. Once a month, you guys know I gotta check in with y'all and make sure y'all on y'all T's and P's, bro. Toes and potatoes. Oh, what I'm doing? Nothing much, just spraying this beautiful Manscaped hydrating body spray with that refined cologne smell. Oh, what's that, you ask? Psh, oh, you know, just your everyday special thing that you should be using since you are a man or a one man. The homies over at Manscaped do not discriminate. Playboy or girl. You know what I mean, or play girl. What you are feasting your eyes upon is the Ultra Premium Collection Kit from the great people over at Manscaped, having our best interest hydrating body spray, body wash, deodorante, 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, and one of the most important things, lip balm, bro. Did you know 10 out of 10 women prefer a man to have lip balm on? Cause think about it, fellas. No one likes ashy and clapped out lips. No one. And since I love you guys, that's right. Take advantage right now. Link down below. Use promo code Zosh at checkout to save 20% off. And free shipping. Bro, make your body and your lips go from ashy to classy to getting some, I can't say that. And as always, thank you to Manscaped for sponsoring today's video. Welcome back to the channel for today's video. As you can read the title, we have a turbo, a motherfucking turbo. We have a turbo to unbox and install for you. Yeah. So we have our turbo from JBtuned Racing. Shout out to the homie Kevin, bro. I appreciate you, dog. And the garage is somewhat decently cleaned up. It's not as best as it's gonna be. I gotta wait to get my stuff from my mom's house so I can, all this over there gonna be inside of like a tool cart and stuff of that nature. But for the most part, at least we got some walkway and stuff like that until I start getting the process of this whole turbo thing, which in today entail video details. That's what we got going on. So I'm gonna put you guys on a tripod and get the unboxing, and then we're gonna slap on the Galifold today as well, so we can have the manifold on, and then from there we'll just see what all we need to do to mock up turbo and then go from there. But yeah, dog, let's get the ball rolling on this turbo stuff, man. I know you guys want to see it. I'm down to see it. I'm excited, bro. I'm excited. I don't like this red wire. This shit just reminds me of Fast and Furious and stuff of that nature. So I'm gonna put all this stuff on like this nice ass wire loom. I'm gonna wire loom all this stuff so it can look at least better than this, because this shit kind of ghetto. I mean, I know my build ain't, you know, amazing and stuff, but this shit is ghetto. Like, this is ghetto, even for me. Like, that right there, I want to redo this connector because that shit's ghetto. Like, I'm not a fan. But anywho. Look at that thing, look at that thing. So this is my brand new GT35 turbo. This is a T3 flange with an 82 housing. Fire. I'm so happy. So shout out to the homie Kevin over at JBtuned Racing for looking out for your boy. So my setup is the V-band setup. So right here is the flange for what we need. Let me go ahead and get this unboxed for y'all. All right, one hand man and did his job. So right here is the flange for the V-band. I got it right here. Just got to get that welded on, and then I have a nice little V-band for the exhaust. So all in all, we have a turbo. We have a turbo. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Let's bring the exhaust galifold out, get it mounted up, and then hopefully see if we can mount the turbo up. But I don't have bolts to mount the turbo to the galifold, so I'm not sure if that'll work or not. But hey, we have a turbo, and I'm so excited. All right, so the manifold is out. Now, my only dilemma now is that I just now realized that I only have one stud on the back of my top unit. So I won't be able, well, I will be able, but like, I guess it'd be much harder. I'm just gonna go ahead and order a set of, not a set, but I'm just gonna go ahead and, well, I might just order the set, right? Might as well. Of exhaust flanges, studs. So instead of running just nuts and bolts, I'm just gonna run, well, instead of running bolts, I'm just gonna run the studs and then just use my nuts to nut that up. You feel me? Nut all that up. Yep, niggas nasty, whatever. But I still should be able to mount the galifold up. So let's go ahead and get that done and see how this thing, well, actually, I think I'm gonna lower the, yeah, because I don't need this high anymore. I'm gonna lower the car a little bit, because I don't need it this high. This is way too high. I don't need it this high. Much better. Sheesh, look at that. Sidewinder is on. Now my concern is when I take off this 44 mil, well, when I guess cut it, see if the homie Keem can cut it and weld a 60 on it. The clearance, there should be enough clearance. Yeah, I mean for the wastegate, that should be enough clearance to clear my brakes. I just probably gotta like move these down or something like that, but that should clear. Other thing, now I'm not used to turbo stuff on a K series. I'm not used to it at all. I'm gonna try to mount up the turbo to the galifold with one of these bolts. They won't work. I'm just gonna put it in there just to hold it so I can take like at least a nice thumbnail picture or something. But man, look at all the clearance you have on a K swapped car compared to like an 8th gen or an RSX. Look at all that clearance, dog. Have to clock the turbo, but bruh, that's it right there. It's gotta clock the turbo. I'm gonna get the turbo actually powder coated. I don't know what color yet. I think I'm gonna just do like a nice wrinkled black, leave the silver accents, make all this black, leave the silver accents. But yeah, bruh, this, oh my god, hold on, let's just take this off real quick. Oh no. Clock the turbo a little bit, have the piping running through right here down to the intercooler right there. Oh man, bruh, this is gonna be awesome. Now, oh yeah, what I'm gonna do about my exhaust, as you see from here, oh man, this is gonna be tricky. Holy hell. God dang, I gotta figure that out. The wastegate will clear perfectly fine, maybe. Yeah, maybe that'll clear. Just gotta figure out what to do. Oh, I got a lot of stuff to do, huh? I guess this is the tedious stuff about the turbo stuff. This is all the tedious stuff you have to worry about doing and stuff. But man, oh, look at this spinny boy. Look at this spinny boy. Look at this spinny boy. Oh man, that's fire. I can't wait. I'm excited. So we got a turbo. I have a link down in the description box below along with a discount code. If you're looking to go turbo, I have a discount code down below for you. Save 10% off a code Zosh. Code should apply to all their products, and they have a lot of products, bro. So if you're interested, I have a link down in the description box below. Shout out to Jack Spain for being my turbo sponsor for the K24 turbo build on the Integra, bro. I haven't been turbo since obviously the B20V days. So to have another turbo back on this car with this setup is gonna be awesome, bro. I can't wait for all the transmissions I'm gonna break. But damn, that looked good. Shit. Also, for my wheels, my T37s are sold, so I am now on the hunt for some Rega Masters. So whenever I find some Regas, I'll be able to slap them on. Bro, look how small these top techs look really small, but these brakes are amazing. Well, yeah, my baby, man, my baby has a turd ski now. She has a turd ski, dude. that is the end of this video. We have a turbo in the car. If you follow me on Facebook, or if you haven't added on Facebook, or if you're on the K28.org page, you guys seen that I posted on the group that I'm looking for like turbo parts and stuff of that nature. It's because I am. I haven't heard back from Full Race yet. Actually, I DM'd them yesterday and it was like, which email did you send it to? And I was like, this one? And they just left me on scene. So I'm just gonna probably have to end up just full sending on their kit. The reason why I'm so hesitant on buying the Full Race kit is because their intercooler and their turbo piping, plumbing, whatever you want to call it, is kind of designed for the setup that I have. When Fred first went turbo on his K20 setup, he had bought a Full Race kit for like a stupid deal, like a beautiful deal. His kit was like pretty much bolt-on. He had like the fab up, the intercooler, and the radiator, but the piping, the plumbing of the piping, I guess, was all like direct bolt-on. That's why I want to buy it. I'd pay the extra money, the 600 bucks for the piping, and then for the intercooler, I think it's like $1,000, so like $1,700 for the piping and the intercooler, compared to like buying the Speed Factory for like $500 and buying like $200 worth of like eBay piping. I don't have a fabricator. The homie Keem Fab's having a baby soon, plus his time's already limited as it is, but shout out to the homie and congrats to the homie Keem Fab. When in doubt, leave it in, you hear me? So I'm ruling Keem already out. I'm gonna need a little bit of fabrication for like the mounting of the intercooler. Other than that, like the piping should just pause. The plumbing, the routing of the charge pipes should be solid. So I think I'm just gonna full send tonight on the kit on those two things, and then I'm thinking about honestly running the Speed Factory Sidewinder because it already has the 60mm flange on it. I know what you're saying, but bruh, you can just use yours. I can, but I don't know, I'm afraid, bro. Like, I don't want, I just want this turbo build to like happen right away, so you know we can get to all the fun part of like having the content to film and edit and all that stuff, but no need to waste money when I don't need to. So I think I'm just gonna keep my manifold and just full send with what I have and hope for the best that it works. It is a prototype Galifold, so I'm not sure if it'll hold up, if it, you know, if it doesn't crack under high boost. I don't know, bro. Like, some manifolds keep pressure inside of the Galifold, and I hope that this one don't do that. Could go with something that's tried and true, or I can just, you know, full send on this one. So I don't know. I don't know, bro. What do you guys think I should do? Should I buy a manifold that's tried and true, or should I give this manifold a chance? I don't want to seem like I'm not grateful for, you know, having one of you guys send out a Galifold, but I don't want to have issues. That's my only concern, is like, how can I test this Galifold to see if it'll work under like, I don't know how much pounds of boost I'm gonna probably end up making, probably like around 17 PSI. But let me know, what should I do? Your thought stuff is considered a lot. Now when y'all be talking shit though, yeah, I can go suck y'all selves. But other than that, that is a wrap for this video. Oh, I also want to give a huge thank you to Downstar for coming on board and providing exhaust manifold studs and that beautiful cotton candy titanium. Oh my god, can't wait for that to come in the mail. And yeah, I'm just super thankful. Tomorrow is Friday, so I'll pick up the car tomorrow, the FA5 tomorrow from Wrap. So be prepared for that video to come out tomorrow as well, because tomorrow's gonna be a busy day. I'm getting tuned that same day. I gotta get an alignment that day. I gotta go over the car, make sure everything is good, torque everything down. Oh, so much stuff to do. But I will catch y'all when that happens. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like on the video. If you have any turbo parts you want to sell, let me know through my Instagram down below. I need a 60mm wastegate, whether it's Turbo Smart or Tile. Let me know. I'm looking to buy it ASAP. If you have a Full Race charge pipe kit for an Integra, K-Swap Integra, let me know. I'm looking to buy that as well. If you have an intercooler from Full Race, I'm trying to buy that as well. If you work out Full Race, holla at your boy. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.